Look at Daddy. How are you?
Fine.
How old are you?
1.
What's your name?
3.
What's your name? What's your name? What's your name, baby?
What are you eating?
Food.
You're eating food. Okay.
Okay.
No.
What's the sound of a train?
Yes. Chaga,
Chaka, choo, choo. Yay, that's right. Okay. What's the sound of a horn?
Horn.
The horn on the bus. What's the sound of a horn?
Beep.
Yay!
Yes, that's good. What's the sound of a cow?
Moo.
Yay! What's the sound of a chicken? Yes. What's the sound of a sheep? Nope. What's the sound of a sheep?
Bah.
Ba. Ba.
Yeah.
Yes. What's the sound of
A duck.
a duck?
Quack, quack.
Yes.
Yay.
Yes. What's the sound of a goat? No. The sound of a goat is meh. Can you do the one for a goat?
Meh. Say meh.
What's the sound of a cat?
Meow.
Meow, that's right. What's the sound of a crying baby? Tell people hi.
Yay.
Tell people hi, people.
Tell the people hi, people.
Picture.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say I love you.
Oh,